Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 install font not showing. How to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a font and right click and go to your show more options, and after that click on install all users. So click on install for all users. After that close it. In the search box type a control panel. Open control panel, select a category, go to your appearance and personalization. After that click on show hidden file and folders, and make sure that selected as show hidden file folder and drives. Click on it and click on apply and OK button. After that click on fonts. Open it. Go to your font section. Now here is. Now drag it in the font section. After that close it and close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.